Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the modern indoor plants ideas. An indoor garden can be your refuge from the outside world, and for many people it is a source of great joy. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large house, by introducing certain plants into your home, you will start to notice improvement to your health and overall happiness, as well as enhancing your mood and creating a living space that is soothing. To be in plants can also help with loneliness and depression. Caring for a living thing gives us a purpose and is rewarding, especially when you see that living thing bloom. Choose the right plants for an optimal night's sleep. Although plants release oxygen during the day, and it is worth remembering that at night, when photosynthesis stops, most plants switch things up and release carbon dioxide. However, plants such as orchids, snake plants, and bromeliads do the opposite and emit oxygen, making them perfect plants for the bedroom. Beware of too much sun. Most indoor plants do not like direct medicine. There are various obvious warning signs to look out, such as leaf burn, spotting, or sudden leaf fall. Most plants can be easily. Often it is a case of not watering them too much. Check if your plant is sitting by a cool draft, as this can use the leaves to curl and eventually drop off. Organic fertilizer are a great way to review your plants. Plants are inexpensive way to jazz up even the most boring room. Plants are an easy and gorgeous way to style up your living space. You can also have fun with the pots and display your plants in beautiful ceramic and copper containers. Owning plants does not have to expensive. Just take a cutting from the front plants or from your local plant shop. Some plants like it hot. Knowing what plants are best for what room is crucial when it comes to plant styling. The bathroom is perfect for air plants, as the excess moisture from your daily shower helps those particular plants flourish. If you are lucky enough to have a sunroom or a super hot room, plants in a living room, just one plant can instantly transform your living space. If you are new to gardening, here is a selection of plants that will suit you perfectly. You with lots of greenery, as easy to look after and reasonably priced. So you could get some easy height and beautiful leaves in under 3 months. This is a great group of plants with, as they are relatively low maintenance. Ivy is most beautiful and has a good sign when it needs watering, as the leaf will look limp and soft. Spider plants are great low maintenance plants which needs watering from the bottom perhaps once a week. Many people think succulents and cacti are the same thing, as most cacti are classed as succulent. However, although the majority of cacti are also succulent, there are many other succulent plants that are not cacti. The main difference is that cacti always have bulbs from which hair or spikes grow, whereas other kinds of succulent do not. One of the wonderful things about cacti is that they will tolerate your terrible behavior for years and then they will surprise you with flowers when they get growing again. Cacti flowers are new growth which is promoted by caring for them throughout the summer and neglecting them in the winter. Also, flowering is often stimulated when the plant is spot bound. For people new to keeping house plant, this is a great plant group to get started on, as they only require a light misting of water every so often. Succulent are perfect plants. They are low maintenance, easy to propagate and suited to most homes. They are best placed on the windowsill where they can get the most sunlight. Identifying a succulent is pretty straightforward, as they have fleshy leaves or stems. Many types are a rose. Most people kill their house plants by pouring water down the center of the plant, giving the plant much more water than it needs, and then the water has nowhere to go, so it then soaks in the plant. Either water from the bottom using if the plant pot has mist regularly with an optimizer, with help to increase the humidity around your plant and keep your plant happy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.